Welcome to aminacademy.com. In NIOS 10th Standard Mathematics, let us discuss about quadratic equations. That means quadratic formula. We will discuss about a quadratic formula to solve the quadratic equation. Here, the general form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is the general form of a quadratic equation. Now multiply by 4a throughout. Multiply by 4a both sides, it gives 4a squared x squared plus 4abx plus 4ac equals 0 into 4a is 0. Now look at here, we will make the perfect square like 2ax whole square is 4ax square x square. Then next is plus 4abx you can write as 2 into 2ax into b plus 4ac equal to 0. Further, adding both sides, adding b square both sides, we have 2ax whole square plus 2axb plus b square equal b square, this 4ac go right side as minus 4ac. Now look at here, this is indicate a plus b whole square form, the identity, that is we have 2ax plus b the whole square, that is if you expand 2ax plus b whole square is this will come, and which is equal b square minus 4ac. Now taking square root both sides, we have 2ax plus b equal square root of b square minus 4ac plus or minus. That means we are taking square root both sides, the square will vanish, here it comes square root. Now further, then here which 2ax equal minus b plus or minus root b squared minus 4ac, then x equal minus b plus or minus root b squared minus 4ac over 2a is a quadratic formula for solving quadratic equation. Now we will discuss further about this one. For a quadratic equation, our ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is a general form of quadratic equation. In this, the solution is minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Here the expression b square minus 4ac equal d is called discriminant of this equation. Now if d equal, that is d equal b square minus 4ac equals 0, then quadratic equation have real roots, having two real roots, each equal, the roots are minus b by a distinct real root. That means the quadratic equation the d value is 0, that is d expression is b squared minus 4ac equals 0, then we can see it have two real roots having each real root is minus b by a. Then if d is greater than 0, that is b squared minus 4ac is greater than 0, then two real distinct root, two real distinct root, Now if d is lesser than 0, that is negative, b squared minus 4ac is lesser than 0, it have two imaginary root, not real, two imaginary roots. These are explanation for discriminant of the quadratic equation. Now in future videos we will discuss by solving the quadratic equation by using quadratic formula. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel. We discussed about here the general form of quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Then we will do some operations, addition and multiplication. Then we will get the quadratic formula, that is x equal minus p plus or minus root b squared minus 4ac by 2a. It is better to remember in mind this formula. It's very useful for solving any type of quadratic equation. Then further we will discuss about the discriminant of the quadratic equation. From that we will discuss about if d equals 0, two real roots, d is greater than 0, that is positive, it has two real distinct roots. If d is less than 0, that is discriminant is negative, then we can see two imaginary roots. We have done.